Hello friends, so let's welcome to all of you. So today we will start how to learn the EDI informations. If you are giving the interview of the EDI, then it would be great if you are seeing my videos. So I will discuss about today for EDI information, like how you can learn the EDI technology if you are just giving the interview, or you need to just know how many transaction sets are working in the industry. So this video will be very helpful to you, so please keep with touch with me and just let's start it. So now I will share you one website which will help you to understand the ADA X12 structure. So I'm just typing X12 structure. So I'm just typing X12 EDA examples. So here's the website x12.org. In this website, now you are able to see there's the example. There are multiple transaction sets are available. 270 healthcare eligibility benefit inquiries and responses. 277, 278, 810, 820, 820. Okay, for the payroll detection, and 824 for the application reporting for insurance. 832 for the healthcare fee schedule. 834 for the benefit enrollment and maintenance, health insurance exchange enrollment as well. Okay. In general term, 834 we use for the plan member reporting, and 835 for use for the healthcare claim payment advice, and 837 used for the healthcare claim dental and healthcare institutional as well, and healthcare and professional as well, and healthcare predetermination institutional and in the professional as well. So there's a multiple 837 format are there. For the 840 aerospace industry basic request for quotations. 850 most of the generally used for the 850, which is used for the purchase order, and 852 for the product data activity. 855 is also used for the acknowledgement of the purchase order. Okay, and 865 used for the industry purchase order change acknowledgement request initiated. 997 is very important for the functional acknowledgement, which is generally used in the industry, and then it's functional acknowledgement for the healthcare insurance as well. 999 implementation acknowledgement for healthcare insurance as well. So these are the example X12 we can use. Suppose if you want to learn the 810, then we can click on the 810, and after that we can review information regarding this. Okay, if you are learning something new and 810, what is the information, what are the first example or the basic invoice. Okay, this is used for the invoice, and these are the transaction explanation, how we can understand the ST segment start that indicate the start of an invoice transaction set and assign a control number. Okay, in the BIG segment, this is the value, and this is the value, and like BGN 1, BGN 2, okay, 3, 4 and 5. We can see the indicator the invoice was created on May 30. Okay, 13 5 and 2000. Okay, 13 May and 2000, and assign the invoice number. This is the invoice number, we can see it here. Okay, the invoice is in the response to a purchase order sent on 6 May 2000. This is the date of that purchase order sent. Okay, with the purchase order minimum number, then that is a number which we are able to see in the 4 BIG4 segment, BIG4, and the release number is 1001. Okay, so here that all transactions that we can learn and easily qualify the interview if you are looking for a job in the ADI and just want to learn something new for the all transaction sites. So this website will really helpful to you for understanding the things. Okay, suppose anyone is looking for the 834, then we can click on the 834 transaction set and we can check. These are the examples, so we can understand, like for if you want to look for the employee information. Okay, and healthcare, like what are the multiple healthcare products are there, so we can easily click on them and able to see. And what are the information passed in the ST segment and the ST01, the which of the transactions that we are using, that will be indicate, and ST02, these are the number transaction specified transaction control number. Okay, so these are the things we can see in the BGN segment. VGN 01, this is the information 02, this is the 03, and this is the 4, and this is the 5. Okay, So we can see this is an original transaction uniquely identified by the sender with the reference 12456 is sender, okay, reference, and the transaction set was created on 5th 5/20 and 1998 at 12 noon. Okay, so this is the time date format are there in the N1 segment. What information we can pass is page by the sponsor and ID text ID. We can say also the federal text ID as well, or the client text ID. Okay, or the sender ID in the N1, N4, N1, N2, N3, N4. We can N3 we can pass this specify the insurance company receiver text ID as well. We can say the FEIN ID. Okay, for the INS information, we can put the information for the employee level information for their coverages, what are the divisions they are passing, what are the subscriber ID they are using. Okay, for the SSN, this is the SSN number, and for RF panel is the group number or policy number. We can see in the DTP segment, we can see the eligibility date of the transaction set, which of the date file it's using. Okay, and NM segment, we are generally use the name, first name, last name for the subscriber name as well. Okay, in phone number detail and his work detail as well. Okay, in the N3 and 4 we can see the state address and zip code and country as well. Okay, and in the DMG segment we can use the date of birth. Okay, and John is enrolling the health benefit. In the HD segment we can see the coverage information, the plan information. So these are the multiple segments are available. So this is a very vast and useful website for you. So I will provide this link in the description. So please like, share, and subscribe this video if you like it. You can see all the transactions that are available which is working in the industry, and it will be a very helpful website for you. So if you like this website, please like, share, and subscribe my channel and share it. Thank you, friends.